So after exploring Black Forest region and spending a crazy night at Airbnb, next day we started heading towards Rhine Waterfall. The journey to the Rheinfall in Switzerland is a beautiful and scenic one which offers spectacular views of Swiss countryside and the Rhine River. If you are starting your journey from Zurich, you can take a train from Zurich Hauptbahnhof to Schaffhausen, which is the closest train station to the waterfall. The train ride will take approximately 40 minutes, which offers beautiful views of Swiss villages. Once you arrive at Schaffhausen train station, you can take a short walk towards the Rheinfall.
So currently we are going to do boat ride, and you can see there are some boats. It costs around 10 euros. You can take boat and they will take you at this point, and then you can climb up to the top of this waterfall here, and the view from this point is really amazing. So let's see. Now here this side you can buy tickets for a boat ride, and here is the entry to the boat. You can go down there and sit in the boat. So we got the ticket. Let's go there. So when you come here, you can find there are total 4 lines: blue line, yellow line, then that side there is red line, and here also pink line. And you can find the route of this line here. Like this yellow line will go with this route, then the blue one we are going to take this one because it's gonna take more time.
I still remember the sound of the rushing water and splashes that made us feel refreshing. A huge amount of water rushes down into the basin below, and really it creates a mesmerizing symphony of sound.